Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign keybinds in a Logitech Pro Wireless mouse. And to do this you will need to get the G-Hub software on your PC. You can download it from official Logitech website. This app will allow us to customize the mouse settings. So now click on the device settings and make sure that all of the buttons are enabled. And we can go back, then click on the mouse icon, and here we have it. Select assignments. Now if you want to assign any buttons, you will need to choose which one you want to add. So for example, we're gonna go for commands and use Ctrl+C. Hold it with a left click and drag to the button that you want to assign it to. In this case, let's copy with a forward button, and let's paste with back button. Then if we go back and open anything that we can copy or paste, we can copy with a forward button, and now to paste, click the back button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.